Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blauparts. Today we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the front differential gear oil on a 2019 Ram 1500. This is going to apply to all 2012 to 2022 Ram 1500 front differentials. For this demonstration, we're going to be using a fully synthetic 75W85 GL5 gear oil. To learn more about the recommended Ram 1500 front differential gear oil specifications, fill capacities, change intervals, and our convenient differential fluid change kits, check out the link in the description below. So let's get started. Begin by confirming that the front differential is warm. This allows the fluid to drain more thoroughly while it's being drained. During the fluid change, the vehicle will need to be in a level position. Most Ram 1500 front differential gear oil changes can be done on a flat, level surface without lifting the vehicle. In our case, we're going to be gaining access to the bottom side of the vehicle by using an automotive lift. To confirm you're lifting the vehicle correctly, you can reference your factory owner's manual for the proper vehicle lift point locations and safety procedures. Next, remove the front skid plate. This particular vehicle was not equipped with one. They are typically held in place with 4 13mm bolts, 2 on the front side of the subframe and 2 on the rear. Next, locate the front differential fluid fill plug. This is located on the front side of the differential closest to the front left axle. Loosen and remove the fill plug in a counterclockwise direction using an 8mm hex bit socket and ratchet. Removing the fill plug before draining the differential fluid confirms you have a way to refill the differential in case the fill plug is seized and can't be removed. Next, locate the differential fluid drain plug. This is on the front lower center area of the differential. Loosen and remove the drain plug in a counterclockwise direction using an 8mm hex bit socket and ratchet. Allow the old gear oil to thoroughly drain into a suitable waste oil drain pan. Using a clean rag and wire brush, clean the drain and fill plugs from excess corrosion, contaminants, and debris. Next, apply a small amount of automotive grade thread sealant or high temperature RTV on the drain and fill plug threads to ensure a quality seal with no leaks. Reinstall the drain plug by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using an 8mm hex bit socket and torque wrench, tighten the drain plug. In this instance, we're tightening it to a 25 foot-pound torque specification. Next, begin filling the differential with the recommended 75W85 GL5 gear oil. The correct fluid level has been achieved when a stream of fluid begins overflowing from the differential fluid fill port. This is between 1.1 and 1.4 liters, depending on the exact front differential optioned in your Ram 1500. With the front differential fluid level confirmed, you can begin installing the fill plug by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using an 8mm hex bit socket and torque wrench, tighten the fill plug. In this instance, we're tightening it to a 25 foot-pound torque specification. Using a rag, clean and remove the excess fluid from the differential fluid drain and fill plug areas. The differential should be completely cleaned from any fluid residue. This will help when inspecting and confirming that the front differential does not have any leaks after performing your fluid change. If your vehicle was equipped with the front skid plate, it can be reinstalled as previously described. So that is a quick overview on how to change the front differential gear oil on a 2012 to 2022 Ram 1500. If you have any other questions or for more information on the differential gear oils we offer for the Ram 1500, feel free to visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.